Okay, this is my bird Apollo, and I thought you would all like to see something funny that he does. Here's a feather, regular chicken feather. Watch what he does when I hold it up to him. He talks to it, it's so funny. It's only to other feathers. And then he stops, it's so creepy. Let's try... This is his favorite feather for some reason. I think it's an owl feather. It's just so funny. Then he stops, and then the second he comes back, he sings to it again. Oh my god. So funny. Well, I just thought you guys might find that entertaining. It really is hilarious to me.